again.
This is the Pennsylvania Bureau of Investigation activating the Amber Alert system for all of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. A child has been abducted from the town of Glen Summit and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Mason Ubillo. He is a 16-year-old white male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 130 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a blue Champion long-sleeve shirt, black jeans, and blue Vans. Abducted by his mother Carolina Ubillo, a 45-year-old white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 150 pounds with brown hair and hazel eyes. They may be traveling in a 2002 silver Volvo V70 with Pennsylvania license plate LKZ1956, or a white 2012 Volkswagen Jetta, bearing Pennsylvania license plate LUE9410, or a green 2011 Hyundai Genesis, Pennsylvania license plate MCL1886. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.